ハイパースピードメディア。
Look at this guy, 86. Hey man, who you racing? Who you racing?
Everybody.
What's up, my dude? Good. This deserve a ITB. That's what this deserves. All right, Justin. Are you ready for Miata the Gap?
I'm definitely ready. Well, I'm ready now that the car has ITBs in it. So the ITBs are off a 20-valve silver top 4A GE motor. Came in the Toyota AE 101. I believe it could be 111 if I might be mistaken. One of the two.
And what year is the 101? I'm not familiar with Toyota.
Early 90s. It was after the AE 86, you know, the typical tofu car in Japan.
Okay.
Was when they went to front-wheel drive. But a lot of people swap in those 20 valves in AE 86 hatchbacks, and a lot of people utilize the ITBs for different builds.
Okay, yeah. So where did you pick this up at? That you got it used, right?
Facebook Marketplace.
Nice.
Used off of there, but it was never installed.
Nice, and it's looking sharp. Idling really good too. So, all right, you ready for your first drive?
I'm ready for the first drive.
You have an ITB car, right?
Yeah, it's not currently running right now, but I have a Toyota with the 20 valve swap in it that's getting done.
So, what are you expecting today?
I'm expecting a fun ride. I think the car is tight. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, so just to let you know, we're going to lose low in torque. That's just typical ITB, and you get more top end.
Right.
That's just the way ITB is. But it's not going to be that bad. It's just a little bit.
Cool.
But yeah, I have to say the car, what is it? Crystal blue mica, right?
That's right.
Crystal blue mica. It looks great. They got the street wang from 9 Live. And Willwood on the front. And you did tell me it was painted, right?
Yep. It's repainted. That is the correct factory color that was on the car, though. So it's just repainted to the same color.
I have to say that paint looks so good. Like even up close,
and
looks so good. Whoever did the paint job did an amazing job.
And the hard top actually has some of the same blue fleck. That's the paint coat in it.
Oh yeah. So it's kind of hard to see because it's black, but it actually has some kind of flake in there for the paint match. All right, let's go for a drive. So first thing, we're going to tune a little bit. We want to see how you drive because your driving style is completely different from mine.
Okay.
And then when we're ready, we're going to go on the top end, and I'm going to get your reaction and how you feel with that because you drove this car more than me, so you're going to know more about it than me.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
All right, let's go. I've joined force with a few companies and we're giving away free stuff. All free. You don't have to buy anything. All you have to do is sign up. We're giving it away all free. The first company is, of course, Archaic lighting. And they came out with the new tail light. It's the ND model, which we're giving away as well. So sign up for that. All you have to do is follow the Instagram. Follow my Instagram as well. Go to their webpage and sign up for it for the giveaway. We're announcing the winner right after Miata at the Gaps. And you have a choice of NA, NB, NC taillight, or the new ND taillight. And they look fantastic. They do all kinds of fancy animation and stuff like that. It's really cool. It's all free. You don't have to buy anything. And also, I've joined force with Flashark Racing. They're giving away some free stuff too. The winner of that will have a choice of either exhaust, headers, or coilovers, whatever you want for your Miata or any other car. You can pick whatever you want for whatever car you have. So I hope you guys win something, and please tag us and follow us on Instagram and go sign up and win something. What are you waiting for? Just go and sign up and win something. I'll see you there at Miata the Gaps. I totally forgot. If you don't want to join the giveaway, you could just use the discount code below and buy the product at a discount price. For a limited time only, you got to do it soon. All right, now we're going to tune the top end and the drivability of it. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. So first reaction of the tune, how does it feel? Is it like OEM or what? You know, let me know.
We're gonna find out. Oh, am I going this way or that way?
Oh, that way.
Okay.
So
first thoughts are it sounds a lot meaner.
Yeah, go that way. Yep.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean,
she popping.
this is your first kind of pull, like next second get pull, high RPM. We're going up a hill though. You know it's still a Miata, right?
Yeah, but still.
Ready? Go for it. Oh! Oh, what the fuck? You shouldn't flame, man. Oh my god. Woo! I saw that flame in the back. How do you do that? Because I couldn't do that when I drive. Like, the way you drive, you keep doing that.
I lay on the clutch and just, I didn't even take much on the gas. It just, bah!
Okay, that didn't happen to me. All right, tell me about that experience right there. How was that?
Oh, I'm so incredibly happy. That was amazing. This thing is fucking awesome.
Yo, that freaking flame, man. I did not expect that.
I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I did that by accident the first time.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's fucking nuts. Oh shit. Oh my god.
You don't even need two-step, man.
No, dude, I fluttered my foot.
Oh, is that what
that's why we're like, pop, 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 pop.
Oh, because I'm putting it so much AFR there that you just dumping random fuel and then it pipes it. That's what it is. Oh my god.
Woo!
That is nuts.
Oh,
I'm gonna do that in my car now. Who cares about $5 gas?
yeah. Make it $10, it's worth every penny.
Oh